This 2024 Forest River Sabre is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 42 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 9, TV, stovetop burner, awning, auxiliary battery, external shower, DVD player, water heater, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Sabre is 11,918 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.